Good morning, class. Today we will read about adjectives and we also discuss about the preposition of position, and side by side we will see and we will learn that how we can use it in both way. Okay, so first of all I'm going to discuss the topics which are given on page number 19. Grammar focus. First of all, we will discuss about adjectives. There are, you know that what first I want to tell you that what are adjectives. Adjective mean the quality or state of someone or something. What is adjective? A quality or state of someone or something. Now we can see that how many sort of adjectives we will be discussed in this session. We will discuss adjective of origin, quality and color. So what is adjective of origin? Adjective of origin mean the main thing or the main point from where we derive anything. That is called adjective of origin. And what is adjective of quality? Quality, as I have told you, good thing, any good thing or any bad thing or anything that describes someone, that is called quality. And what is color? Like if I said to you that I have a pencil, I have a blue pencil, so what is adjective in this sentence? Blue. Because blue, the color blue is describing the pencil. Okay, these all were the things, these all were the types of adjective. But in our chapter there is given adjective of origin, so first we will discuss that. The question is, read the adjectives of origin in the given sentences. She likes to eat Chinese noodles. As I told you that an adjective of origin describe where something comes from. For example, Italian pizza, Japanese cars, Chinese noodle, Italian cream, German sports. In the same way as we said that if we can talk about our real life, for example, Bata's shoes, for example, Stylo's dress, for example, you can add anything, you can add any name which from which we can derive anything. Okay, now read the given sentences. They have adjectives of different type: origin, quality and color. You have to sort out them and write them in your notebooks. Did French fries really originate in France? So what would be adjective in this? Did French fries really originate in France? What do you think that? What would be, which adjective we have to we have to taken out from that? Did French fries is a noun. Really originate? Originate means that we have to find out the adjective of origin from this sentence. So adjective of origin from this sentence is France. Okay, again look here. Pakistani culture is a diverse culture. So which sort of adjective you will find from this sentences? This sentence, sorry. Pakistani culture is a diverse culture. Diverse is an adjective because it describes the quality, mean a good thing or a bad thing from anything. It describes the culture of Pakistan, so that's why diverse is a adjective. Okay. Sahir wants to buy a pair of black American jeans. Black American jeans. So Sahir is a noun, it is proper noun. Wants to buy is a verb. A pair of black American jeans mean black American is a adjective. American mean adjective of origin, and black adjective of color. Okay. Yasir gifted a wonderful old Italian clock. There are two adjectives in this sentence. Wonderful. There are three adjectives. Look, wonderful, old, and Italian. Wonderful and old are adjective of quality, and Italian is adjective of origin. Okay. We took a ride on an old blue Chinese bus. sentence there are three adjectives. Old, blue, Chinese. Old is adjective of quality, blue is adjective of color, and Chinese is adjective of origin. All right.